Wrinkles can be very frustrating, and with increased FaceTime and Zoom, we can see our lines front and center. There are a lot of things we can do as experienced injectors to treat them. It's important to know that this is not a cookie cutter or one-size-fits-all approach. We tailor treatment to fit you. Botox works by weakening the muscles that cause the wrinkles. For some folks, we use Botox for a brow lift and to smoothen forehead lines. For other people, we slim their jawline and quiet the nighttime TMJ and grinding with Botox. Everyone's different. Filler differs from Botox because it's made of hyaluronic acid, which we naturally have occurring in our bodies and our joints. We use filler to plump hollow areas like sagging cheeks, weak chins, hollow temples, and creases that form around the mouth. This is so important because it's your face. We recommend you only trust the experts. Instead of going to a place where it's a different injector each time and with no medical training often, we recommend you see the same person each time. This way, we can hold your goals and work towards them with baby steps for your own personalized recommendations. Come and see us in consultation.